What's the one tool that can completely transform your photography from ordinary to extraordinary? It's not a new lens. It's not a new camera. It's a perspective shift. Literally. Getting your camera into the sky is the ultimate game changer. But with so many options, which drone actually delivers professional-grade images without requiring a pilot's license? We've flown the newest models so you don't have to. This is the top 5 best drones for photography in 2025. The camera on our number 1 pick is so intelligent, it feels like it's doing the work for you. All the links to check prices and specs are in the description below. Let's take off. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log into the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Overview. DJI Mini 4K is an incredible way to capture your aerial world in 4K. Weighing less than 249 grams, no test is required in most countries' regions. It's also stunningly easy to use, with a 31-minute max flight time, a 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, max transmission range, incredible 4K footage, and so much more. Number 2. 36% code Bingchat upgraded. We keep upgrading the app and tablet system for more features. Keep away from trees for drone safety. Avoid crashing trees. Bingchat offers 1-year quality-free replacement support along with 3 years flight quality support. If you damaged your drone, we always offer low-cost replacement parts. User guidance or flight issue support. Any question or issue, directly contact through the email on the app for quickly help. We are sure to support high-quality after-sale service for your drone. 2025 new upgraded tablet, touch screen controller with payload release. Bingchat upgraded AE Pro Plus carbon fiber sticker drone with touch screen controller, Android system with Google support, can work as a tablet with WLAN. We can download any app from our Google Play Store. We can use social media, watch movies, play mobile games with it, just like a pad. Payload release and laser obstacle avoidance. Innovative and unique functions. This 2025 new upgraded professional drone with payload release function and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance functions. Drones for adults, much more funny and safer drone. Number 3. DJI Flip, RCN3. This drone with camera for adults 4K features full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing comprehensive protection for you. Enjoy your time with the drone. Lightweight and regulation-friendly, weighing under 249 g. 1. This drone with camera doesn't need FAA registration or remote ID in America. It's compact, convenient, and ideal for your travels. You're on-the-go director with subject tracking. Your subject stays in focus. Whether you're hiking or having a party, this drone for adults acts like your personal cinematographer, capturing every move. Capture every detail with 1/1.3-inch CMOS. The larger sensor in this drone with camera captures more light, delivering clearer images with vivid detail, ideal for capturing both scenery and portrait. Stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video. Capture the beauty of sunrise and sunset with ultra-high-definition video. This drone with camera offers an exceptional visual experience, making every moment look breathtaking. 31-minute max flight time. Leave battery concerns behind. With up to 31 minutes of flight time. 5. This drone for adults can capture more moments and explore further without interruptions. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. For the latest aircraft firmware. If your drone needs to be registered, such as perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, Longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Number 5. G11 Pro 6K Drone. Are you spending more for better aerial footage or choosing a budget drone only to be disappointed by poor image quality? If so, the Gleesfun G11 Pro would be ideal for you. This featured affordable drone offers a sleek design, FAA compliance, and carrying case for easy transport. With a 3-axis brushless gimbal for smooth flight, a 10,000-foot range GQ 2.0 digital transmission system, and up to 70 minutes of flight time, it delivers exceptional performance. The camera captures 4K per 30 frames per second video and 6K photo with stunning clarity. Cruise modes help you achieve professional-grade shots, easy capturing every frame of your aerial moments. To achieve stable and clearer aerial footage, we developed a 3-axis brushless gimbal system. It uses 3-axis positioning for precise control of pitch, roll, and yaw, ensuring stable balance in various wind conditions and flight postures, resulting in improved image quality. The brushless motors enhance reliability and longevity, allowing for efficient, high maneuverability operation, making aerial photography more portable. Paired with a high-performance control chip, the gimbal ensures millisecond synchronization with the flight and imaging systems, making the G11 Pro an excellent aerial photography drone. And there you have your fleet. Any one of these drones will open up a whole new world for your photography. If this video helped you see the sky as your new creative canvas, please show it some love with a like ***. Share this with the photographer in your life who needs to see this perspective. And for more guides, reviews, and stunning aerial footage to inspire your next flight, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload.